Hi everyone, welcome back to the Whois Data Center channel, your go-to source for all things related to Whois data. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Whois API directly in your browser. This is a quick and easy way to access Whois data without needing any additional software. First, let's start with getting your free trial. Visit our website and sign up by filling in your name, email, phone number, and card details. You'll get a 3-day free trial to test out our API. After signing up, you'll receive your login credentials via email. Use these to log in and create a new password. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access your API key from the dashboard. We covered this part in the previous video. If you don't have your API set up yet, please watch that video first. Now, let's move on to using the API in your browser. Open your browser. Any browser will work: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Here I'm using Chrome. Now we move on to the documentation page to copy the API request URL. Here you can see our doc page. Scroll down to latest API request and copy the URL. In the address bar, type in the API endpoint URL. You can copy your API from your dashboard. Make sure to replace example.com with the domain you want to look up, and your _API_ key with your actual API key, and enter. Once you hit enter, the browser will send a GET request to the API and display the response directly on the screen. You'll see detailed Whois information about the domain, including registrant details, admin and tech contact information, and more. The response will be in JSON format, which is a structured and easy-to-read format. You can see here the domain name, registrant information, admin and tech contacts, registration dates, name servers, and many more. You can also store or download this data by using Ctrl+S key. Here you can see how easy it is. To learn more about what each field means and to explore other capabilities of our API, you can refer to our comprehensive API documentation. It includes detailed sections on error handling, data formats, rate limits, and advanced queries for more complex queries and features available through our API. Although we're using the browser today, our API can also be integrated with various programming languages, including Python, Bash, PHP, Node.js, JavaScript, Java, Ruby, C, Go, and Swift. We'll cover these in future videos, so stay tuned. And that's it. Using the Whois API in your browser is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.